Hi y'all, it's Natural Hair by Angel Z for curly kinky couture hair coaching. I'm going to do a video on how to do a twist out on blown out hair. Now this is going to help you if you have shrinkage and you're looking to stretch out your curls, kinks, waves. If you want a style that's a little bit longer, then you can blow dry your hair first. So let's get started. The first thing I do is use a heat protectant, and there's one that I get from Sally's, and it's Silky Essentials or Elements or something like that. And I put about a quarter sized amount all over my hair. Clearly my hair has been detangled, it's been shampooed, conditioned, I did a hot oil treatment, so it's already prepped and getting ready to go. So put that quarter sized amount on, make sure you go back through the hair, making sure it's detangled, and then we're going to blow dry. I do have a blow dryer that has an attachment. I highly recommend that. If you're, not that versed at doing hair, then it makes it much easier. So here I am going through, my entire head. I do have really fine, sort of loose curls, so my hair for me is relatively easy to blow out, but it does take a minute. I do get tired, so you'll see me kind of like put the dryer down for a second. Um, but you want to make sure the hair is uniformly blown out, that all of the curls or kinks are out of it, stretched out. The goal is not to get it bone straight, so please don't worry about that. All right, so my hair is all blown out. Clearly, this may take a minute, and so be okay with that. Be patient, take your time, section the hair, do what you got to do. Next, you want to start to part your hair. You want to pick a pattern that, is going to highlight your face. So what I'm going to do is have a deep side part and have most of my hair coming towards my face. So I am sectioning it with actual clips. Please use a comb if you're not a master with the clips, right? Not that you can't get there, it just might take a minute. So do whatever is easiest for you because that'll make it go so much quicker. I love this mousse by The Do. It leaves the hair really shiny and soft, but it's a great set. So you add about maybe 2 pumps of the mousse onto the hair and you start to flat twist. There are moments in this video where I go in slow motion so you can really capture it if you haven't ever done a flat twist on your own. Right now, after I do the flat twist, what I'm doing is wrapping the ends around each other, creating like a Bantu knot or a Nubian knot on the hair. And that is going to create a curl once that set and that twist is taken out. So again, I'm going to part the hair. I'm directing the flat twist towards my face so that it can fall. And I am going to do a flat twist. Basically, you're going to take one finger and you're going to take a piece and you're going to tuck it under the next piece. You're going to continually grab hair and tuck that hair under and alternate. It's very similar to a cornrow, but it's just with 2 pieces of hair. Now, disclaimer, a lot of videos on YouTube, they go so quick, they're masterful, you try it at home, you don't feel as successful. I want you to know, number one, I'm a professional, but number two, a lot of people that make YouTube videos are pros at their own hair. Here's the thing, before I went to cosmetology school, I practiced on my own hair. So even before then, I was skilled because I built this skill set. So just know, don't be defeated. This takes practice, right? Like your hands have muscle memory. It's going to take you a while to build the skill set. So it's okay if your first twist out is trash. I'm just saying. because, eventually you'll get really good at it. So I want you to practice at home when you're not, have anywhere to be. You know what I mean? Maybe you're just going to the movies, kicking it around the house. It's not going to be, life changing. But do practice, because practice makes perfect, okay? All right, so basically I am going to continue to go around my head, creating little knots at the end, that bantu knots that are going to be the curl. Or you could put a roller there, right? You can take a flexi rod and put a roller on there. I am twisting with mousse, about 2 pumps of mousse. So I'll let you see this. It's going to be fast forward. Some will be in slow motion, but I'll let you kind of capture this, and I'll put some music on.
Darling, if I alarmed you, I don't mean to bother you. I just wanna get you to pause and slow your walk, so maybe we can talk and I can try to charm you. I'm just trying to find out who you are. I don't mean to come off like a telemarketer. I ain't no hood, no crook, no robber. I just want a part of your heart I could borrow sometimes. And maybe I can call you up sometimes. And maybe I can take you out sometimes. So let's exchange digits and later arrange visits, either your place or mine, yeah. This a different type of commitment, yeah. I'm talking about a true friendship, yeah. Someone I can depend on and be down no matter what. Let me know if you with it, cause girl, it'll be fly if you were my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, give it a try. I could be yours and you can be mine, girl. I can't lie, it'll be fly if you were my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, give it a try. I could be yours and you can be mine. Sorry if I come off disrespectful, or my convo is a little bit too sexual, but damn, it's incredible. Be more flexible, cause the context of this text is special. But wait, let me explain it. A buddy is an equal beneficial arrangement. A buddy is a buddy that don't be complaining when his or her buddy ain't the buddy that came with sometimes. And maybe I can call you up, and maybe I can take you out. So let's exchange digits and later arrange visits, either your place or mine, yeah. It's a different type of commitment. I'm talking about a true friendship, someone I can depend on to be down no matter what. Let me know if you're with it, cause girl, it'll be fly if you were my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, no, give it a try. Yeah, I could be yours and you can be mine, girl. I can't lie. Trying to say is the definition of a real buddy is she's that one, yeah. Have fun, ride shotgun through the city with me. Together there's no limit to what we can do. And once we in it, girl, it's all about So baby, what you say? Don't pass this by your side, because girl, you were my B-U-D-D. If you were my B-U-D-D, give it a try. I could be yours. Hey, I could be yours. My B-U-D-D-Y. Yeah, I could be yours. I could be yours and you can be mine. It'll be fly if you were my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, give it a try. I could be yours and you could be mine, girl. I can't lie. It'll be fly if you were my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, no, give it a try. I could be yours and you can be mine.
So there's just a few things that I wanted to add. One, you want to, at the end, once you're done everything, you want to add a few pumps of mousse to the whole head. And then when you're ready to dry it, you should really consider getting a hooded dryer, because sitting under one of those is going to dry the hair quickly and evenly without allowing for frizz. which is really crucial. The other thing is I always keep my twist outs. I keep the flat twist in for at least a day or two, and this allows for the set to really, create the maximum amount of definition, and it allows for me to keep my style longer. So if you can't do it because of work, think about doing it in a pattern or a style that's more flattering, and or you could wear a hat, or you could wear wraps, or you could do it on the weekend, right, where you maybe have less to do. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments because I'm interested in how your twist outs go and what you got from this. Thanks so much. Again, this is Natural Hair by Angel Z.